often. Yeah, we got the cheers over here. Yeah! All right, this next song is one of my favorites. It's called Still Rolling Stones. Out of the shadows, bound for the gallows, a dead man walking, so love came calling. Rise up, rise up. 6 feet under, I thought it was over. An answer to prayer, the voice of a savior. Oh, rise up, rise up. Woo. All at once, I can't in my life. Tears beating hard, seas open eyes. The grave let go, the darkness should have known. Oh, you're still rolling stones, yeah, yeah. Oh, you're still rolling stones. Woo. Now that you saved me, I sing 'cause you gave me a song of revival. I put it on vinyl. Oh, rise up, rise up. I once was blinded, but now I see it. I heard about the power, but now I believe it. Oh, rise up, rise up. All at once, I can't in my life. This beating heart, these open eyes. The grave let go, the darkness should have known. Oh, you're still rolling stones, yeah. Oh, you're still rolling stones. I thought that I was too far gone for everything I've done wrong. Oh, I'm the one who dug this grave, but you call my name, you call my name. I thought that I was too far gone for everything I've done wrong. Oh, I'm the one who dug this grave, but you call my name, you call my name, you call my name, you call my name. Woo. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Roy on trombone. Okay. Now, I'm going to get this wrong. But remember when I wasn't supposed to talk between every song? Okay, here we are. Can you say what the name of that instrument is that he's mimicking?
Cuica.
Cuica.
That's right, cuica.
It's a... what was that?
That's my stage name.
That's his stage name.
Cuica.
Okay, I think this is so profound. Okay, I love music, duh. But there's something so unique about people that can personify different sounds with something that sound should not be coming out of. And that just happened.
Yeah.
So for everybody who missed, can you just sample it?
Yeah.
And you can talk, yeah.
Oh, hi. How is everyone doing? Can I get you anything? Just kidding. So basically, I just hear the drum and then my body does what it's supposed to do, and I don't know how to explain that, but it. So I'm not really playing. It sounds like I'm having a fit, and I might be, but that's the sound. That's how I make it. I just grab the horn and make a racket. Thank you.
So good. Oh, all right. This one, my little Juju Bean, wherever she's at, she loves this song. There she is. Wherever the laughing is, that's where she is. Juju, you can sing this as loud as you want. This song is called Trust in You. Here we go.